Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great day so far. Now this video is going to be a lot different from what you're normally used to seeing on my page, but it's okay. I'll explain what's going on. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you would be notified in every video that I do post to YouTube. So in this video I did make some changes and I just wanted to go over those changes with you guys. I also forgot to write this down, but I'll go ahead and add it. So when it comes to my sinking funds, I did make some changes. So at first, and I'll just show you, that is way too bright, so let me get this lower as far as, let's see if this will show better. Come on, focus. There we go. So I did make some changes when it comes to the buckets I do have for Allie. At first I had one for clothing, which had about 20 bucks in it. I had another one for savings that may have had 20 bucks in it. I don't really remember. I did have one for car maintenance, which it only had about $100 or less in it. I did have one for medical that didn't have anything in it. And I kind of deleted those buckets and sent all of the money from those buckets to my core savings account. So now it shows I have $5,112.10 with the quarterly savings challenge by Her Courage to Plan. If you haven't gotten on this savings challenge, jump on it. When it comes to the quarterly savings challenge, I did make it to where I do have $600 for vacation. Vacation has $330, and when it comes to home or moving, that account does have $150. Now when it comes to vacation, let me just flip through those. These savings challenges here are by Reynolds Budget, and this is what they look like. So you have the $5 savings challenge, $10 savings challenge, 100 envelopes, and a lot more, 52 weeks and the 26 weeks. So I can't wait. When it comes to cream, that is for my rent, and it's not ready to be paid just yet. When it comes to car stuff, I did delete the car stuff bucket, and I have car stuff all in cash. And let's just see how much we have. And all of these are fives. Okay. So I do have $40 in my wallet for car maintenance just in case. So 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we have $140 for car stuff, which is not that bad. When it comes to, when it comes to vacation shows we do have $330. And let's just see how much we have for this envelope here. So we have $330. And let's just check. Make sure everything is okay. So everything is turned the right way. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Wait, what? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 130 plus 130, and we have $460 for vacation, which is not bad just yet. I'm not really sure where we're going, if anywhere, but just in case. For November through December, since I only had about $20 in the bank, I went ahead and moved that amount over to savings. Quarterly savings challenge. The money that I had for here, I did put that in the car maintenance for gifts. All of these other things are now empty. Family time is empty. And if you like this envelope here, I did get it from Sam's Crafts and Custom. I always get her name totally confused, and these are just blank envelopes. So there you have it. So vacation now has $460. When it comes to home, let me double check that one. So when it comes to home, we have $150. For core savings, we have $5,112.10. For card maintenance, I forgot how much I had, so let me count that now. So we already have $40 in my wallet, like I said before, and then we have 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. What? 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So altogether, when it comes to car maintenance, we do have 140 bucks. When it comes to savings doesn't have anything. It only had a couple of dollars. So I just moved that over, and I'll just start over when it comes to savings. So that's all. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.